My name is Syed Shiraz, and let me tell you something at the outset. See, no one in India does so much of hard work for you guys, for motorcycles, and for automotive journalism in India. And how's that? See, Suzuki started giving this motorcycle to journalists in 2022, and I was down with COVID at that time, so I could not review it. And now they have started giving the motorcycle again to journalists in India, and yours truly happens to be the first auto journalist in India to get this motorcycle in this round. And I noticed something. In fact, let me show it to you. That's the high beam. Okay, so this is the low beam, that's the high beam right now. So it's not adjusted properly. Okay, if you'll see, it's merely acting as a spotlight. Okay, so let's ride. And so what I'll have to do is I'll go back home, adjust it properly, okay, and come back here again tomorrow night, and day after the bike has to go back, I have to return the motorcycle. And when I'll adjust it, I will try to make a quick video clip, or perhaps click photographs of the adjuster and tell you how to adjust it, and then come back here at night and complete the video. So not only would you see the rest of the video with a properly adjusted headlight, but the next journalist who will get this motorcycle will get a test bike with a properly adjusted headlight. So what I'll do, I'll quickly go back, but not before you get an idea about this motorcycle's awesome sound. And of course, you'll be able to see the difference. A properly adjusted headlight versus the headlight throw right now. See, oh man, I love inline fours. Absolute nirvana. So although I have to come back here again tomorrow night, you will be seeing the rest of the video in just a couple of seconds. Bye bye guys, I'm back, and I will show you something that no one in the world has shown you yet. And see, it's a small thing, but then if you think about how critical the headlight throw is, then yes, it becomes a big thing. So you just saw again, I shot the part that you just saw, I shot it yesterday, and although you are seeing it at one stretch, this is the part that I'm shooting the next day, that is like tonight. And Ta-da! This is just the low beam. Alright. See, this is the low beam and that's the high beam. See the difference? And it does not end there. Okay, so what I'll do, at the end of the video I'll put a clip that I'll make tomorrow in the morning. Okay, but then even right now I'll try to show it to you. So the adjuster nut, okay, essentially it's a bolt. Okay, so the adjuster bolt is here, and so I've taken it out so that I can show you the full range of adjustment. See, yesterday it was like this. Okay, well, it was a little it was this was the level, right? Yes, this was the level. Yes, yesterday this was the throw. In fact, I did tell you that it's merely acting as a spotlight. Okay, that's the low beam, that's the high beam. And wait, so that's like you can wake up the birds, but we don't want to do that. This is where it should be. Yes, look at the difference, man. Look at that. Now the high beam is actually acting like the high beam. Alright, let's quickly ride and wrap up the video. Is it better now? Yeah, I like it like this. Yes. See, this is how I prefer my high beam. This is perfect now. This is perfect. See, now this is perfect. Beautiful. Now this is perfect. Yes, sir. perfect. This is perfect. See, perfect. This is perfect. See, some may want the high beam to be, a bit higher up, and they can do that, but I always recommend that you should see, you want to see the road, and of course it should be, I would say that at the shoulder level of, say, a 5.5 feet person. See, this is the adjustment that I have done. This is how you can see the maximum road ahead, okay? And if you put it a bit higher up, then again, it's not lighting the road. Again, it's absolutely your preference, but then this is how, see, okay, let me pull it a bit higher up and see. All right. Some would like this, okay? And I like this is so much better. Some like this, but then let's go back. This is perfect. The fog is increasing by the minute. Yes, this is perfect. So it's not too low, it's not too high. You are seeing the maximum amount of road possible, and it's neither low nor too high. Yes, perfect. This is where I'll tighten the bolt. So guys, I hope you like the effort, you like the video, and do hit that like button, do subscribe, and do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. So I thought that, I'll quickly squeeze in 30 seconds. See, this is the low beam. Look at that wall. That's the high beam. All right. Alright guys, see you, bye bye. And I forgot to show you the bike from this angle, how it looks at night. Yes, that's the low beam, that's the high beam. Look at that beauty. Shall I try to show you the brake light as well? And for one last time, see. Alright guys, bye bye.